Hey there, guys. Today, we're going to be unboxing the AGARO Cosmic Plus Sonic Electric Toothbrush. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at what comes in the box and giving you a first-hand look at the product itself. Let's check them out. First off, let's take a look at the box. As you can see, it's got a really sleek and modern design that's in line with the toothbrush's futuristic features. The AGARO Cosmic Plus Sonic Electric Toothbrush is a high-tech toothbrush that offers a variety of features to help you achieve a clean and healthy smile. The toothbrush has 5 cleaning modes: whitening, cleaning, sensitive, polishing, massage, Interdental Brush Head, which can be adjusted depending on your preference. It also has a 2-minute timer that will automatically turn the toothbrush off after the recommended brushing time. Superior sonic technology generates 40,000 strokes per minute, demolishing deep tooth dirt effectively. And Nylon DuPont Heads, 5 DuPont brush heads designed to fit topography of teeth. In addition to the toothbrush, the AGARO Cosmic Plus comes with a charging dock and 5 replacement brush heads. The charging dock is simple to use, you just plug it in and set the toothbrush on top. It also has a convenient brush head storage area, so you can keep everything organized in one place. And here we have the toothbrush itself. It's got a really nice weight to it and feels really sturdy in my hand. Overall, I'm really impressed with the AGARO Cosmic Plus Sonic Electric Toothbrush. It's got all the features you could want in an electric toothbrush, and the sleek design and included accessories really make it stand out. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me create even better videos for you in the future. Thank you.